Today is the day. It's the Doge Day. Elon Musk is going on Saturday Night Live. So that's what this video is all about. What should we expect today from the Doge? Smash that like button if you guys like this content. Of course, if you're new here, smack that subscribe button as well. So heading over, as we all know, just like I said, Elon Musk, he's going on Saturday Night Live tonight. There's a lot of controversy. What's he going to talk about? Is it going to be good? Whatever. But we're here to focus on the Doge. Elon Musk has created a lot of hype with the Doge, which I think is pretty cool. It's gotten a lot of new people into the crypto space, which is necessary. Elon Musk is definitely an out there kind of dude, and that's why I definitely like him. But nonetheless, though, a lot of people getting into this space, I feel like they're going to get wrecked, okay? We've seen this happen before. Let's pull up the charts. We've seen this happen before, massive pumps and then massive pullbacks. So what happens is people buy on these pumps right here, then they sell in the dumps right here. And it's just simply because they're new, they don't have experience, they don't know what they're doing. It's all fear and greed. They're just an emotional investor slash trader. And I mean, unless you just believe in the project, you want to hold long term, that's a completely different story for a completely different video. But as of right now, it's like we've been overextended for a little bit. We want to pull up the MACD, looking at the facts in the charts. I'm not making this stuff up. Look, MACD's been going very great. We still have positive momentum. That's amazing. That's good to see. That's actually bullish right there. But something I do want to point out, I do see some bearish divergence. If you don't know what that is, that's a bearish thing. Bearish is just meaning that's not good. Like we're probably going to see some downward action eventually. It doesn't mean it's going to play out right away. There's no guarantees in the market. There's only probabilities. So right here we have a high and a lower high. Right here we have a high and a higher high. By definition, that is bearish divergence. So, which typically means there'll be some kind of pullback in the future, which of course, I mean, we've been extended. Look, we're way off the 13 EMA for several days now since we bounced off it back on April 28th. It's already May 8th. So it's already been a bunch of days above that. So where I see us bouncing back to eventually is this 13 EMA, which is currently right around 50 cents. And this EMA is continuing to rise because price action is going up. So watch out for that. I also have this yellow line right here. It's a very thin yellow line. That right there is the dollar mark. I expect a lot. I mean a lot of selling. I would love to see Doge smash right through a dollar. I'd love to see it happen. Hold it as support and keep breaking up to what, 10, 20, whatever dollar, whatever you want. Make all those Doge millionaires out there. But we got to be realistic. We got to look at the facts, see what's going on. And the $1 mark is going to have a lot of resistance. Why? Because people are going to sell. That is the taking profit level. So personally, if I was looking to take profit in Doge, I'd be selling probably around 95 to 98 cents. That's just my 2 cents, not financial advice. It's just we know that there's so much anticipation for this even number. And I expect it to struggle a little bit, but I hope I'm 100% wrong, and I hope it just blasts right through. But only time will tell, guys. As you know, I'm not always right, but I'm never wrong. So as we can see, I would love to continue to see some upward momentum today. Close this candle, pump up because of all the hype with Elon Musk. But look, we've been extended for a little bit, not as extended as we were back here on April 16th, but I would not be surprised to see some kind of pullback. There was a lot of pumping this week because of the anticipation of this SNL on Saturday. So we've seen this before over and over again with different kind of news articles, how, the media pumps it up. There's a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. And buying the rumor is simply what's happening right here on the chart. You buy before the event, you're buying the rumor. And then when the news happens, you dump it. We've seen that happen with XRP. We've seen that happen with Cosmos. We've seen that happen with ADA. I can go on and on. So is this guaranteed to happen? No, it's not guaranteed to happen. There's no guarantees in the market, only probabilities. But I would give this a 70 to 80% chance of happening. And to me, that's it's too high to risk it right there, in my humble opinion. And even if you're just trying to get in and make some quick bucks, even if this thing would double, so we're talking go to around $1.40-ish, that has to pump a lot. There's plenty of other altcoins that are down right now that are not the cool thing to buy, that Elon's not talking about, that the media is not hyping up. So just keep that in mind. I would prefer to do that, but hey, I'm just a silly dude on the interwebs, so what do I know? But as always, we have seen these buy the rumor, sell the news events happen time and time again. So I just want to put it out there for all the new people out there. Please consider this. I'm not telling you to, this is the one, this is going to happen because there's no guarantees. But just consider this. It is overextended right now. Would not be surprised to see a pullback. Watch out for that. But of course, the MACD on the daily looks good, positive momentum, but it's a lagging indicator. Price action is king. Right now, we're still up, so that is good. But also keep in mind, we're going to eventually see a pullback. We do have that bearish divergence on the daily. We can even take a zoom in to see what is going on. Well, I mean, even the momentum on the 4 hours looking good. The RSI is right around 70, so we're just approaching that overbought territory. So I mean, but this thing's been way above overbought territory for a while, so it will do fine. That's how it does in the crypto space. Zoom in on the price action. Wow, this is what we like to see though. You know, we have a low all the way back here, higher high, lower low, higher low, and then now we're making the higher high. That's good. I'd expect us to eventually make this higher low somewhere, probably bouncing off the 13, maybe bounce off the 21, like on the 4 hour. That's probably going to happen because we've had that happen before. We've seen that happen here, seen it happen here, and the 21 keeps moving up. So maybe it'll be at 65 cents when that happens. You know, guys, only time will tell. That's just, you know, something to throw out there. But I hope people can realize, especially the new people, can realize that these kind of events, there's a lot of hype behind it. Buying into the hype is great when you get in super early, but don't expect to make like a 50x off this tonight. It's not going to happen. There's a high probability of it not happening. Now, will this thing break $1? It's possible, and you know, I hope it does for all those Doge holders out there. But realistically, I see a lot of resistance at $1, and we're probably going to struggle to break that. I'd love to know your thoughts down below before this event. Let me know down below. You think I'm wrong? You think I'm right? You know, and as always, thank you for watching today. Smack that subscribe button if you're new here, and smack that like button if you guys like this content. As always, I really hope this works out great tonight, but I'm just not so bullish because we've had a pump way before the actual event. So I'll catch you guys all in the next one. But until then, may those gains be with you.